What's up guys, welcome to my channel. In this video I'm going to teach you and I'm going to show you the best setting to upload your video on YouTube so that your video will get a recommendation. When I'm saying recommendation, I'm saying your video will be recommended to the right audience. So the first thing, you make sure you have a smartphone. If you're using the browser, make sure your browser is updated, it's not outdated. Then let's say you have all in position and you have all in order. What you have to do, I want you to listen to this very carefully. If you use this way to upload your videos, your video will go viral anytime. So keep watching this video where I'm going to explain everything and I'll show you everything. So the first thing, you need to open your app, then you locate your video. After you locate your video, then you give it a title. Your title is about you. You know the title of your video and your video is all about. Then you give it a title. After you finish with the title, you need to write a short description to explain the main importance of this video. Let's say you want to show people how to upload your video on YouTube. So you need to express that a little bit, not too much. Then if you want to put hashtags, you must insert 2 to 3 hashtags. That's it. Don't over exceed that. After that, then you're going to select if your video or if your content is altered. So if it's not AI, you press no. If it is AI, press yes. After that, then you customize on this video is for kids or not. But most of videos are not for kids. Then you select not for kids and you select in the future. After that, then you need to categorize the video. That's where a lot of people get misunderstanding. That's where a lot of go wrong because we don't know, because your channel category maybe is for educational, like mine is for educational, right? But at the same time, you post the jokes. If you don't categorize this honestly, your video will be suggested to wrong audience. If you categorize your channel and your video in the right way, in the right category, your video will be recommended to right audience. That's where a lot of people fail. So you need to categorize this. After that, for me, what I do, if doubt this video, maybe there's something, especially for sounds effects, most sound effects, there's a copyright. So if you doubt maybe your sound there's a copyright, you post as unlisted. After you post as unlisted, then you download YT Studio application. Then you go to selection where there's unlisted videos. Then you edit that video. Then that's where you go on tags. On tags, make sure you add tags, like 5 tags on your video. After that, if your video finish to search for copyrights, then if your video finish to processing and you make sure there's no copyrights, then you customize your thumbnail. So the thumbnail is a very important thing and it's played a big role on a video because people see your thumbnail before watching the video. So your thumbnail must be attract. So you need to create an attractive thumbnail so that you attract people to click on your video. So thumbnail come first before your video. So if you listen to this right, I'm telling you, never go wrong. So make sure you create a color blocking. Mostly use bright colors. Use bright colors when you're creating your thumbnail. You can use Adobe Express, you can use Canva to create your nice thumbnail. Or nowadays you can use even ChatGPT to create your thumbnail. After you finish that, then you upload it. So there's a 2 options where you can set A and B test for title and A and B test for thumbnail. So which means you can create 3 different thumbnails, then you upload it on a same video, and once then YouTube itself will choose the best one, it has performance. And also even on title, you can write 3 different types of titles, then you put A, B test, then YouTube will choose which one has a better performance. After you've done that, then you publish your video to public. Welcome, congrats, this is your first uploading and wait and see how it's gonna happen. So for now, you know how to upload and you know the best settings to upload your video on YouTube. And this same applies to shorts. That's the same way I use when I upload my shorts. So make sure you use this way and you thank me later. Thank you for watching this video. I'm signing out. Have a good day now.